Need to check your balance on a Citi Bank-issued American Express card? There are two easy ways to do it. You can use the Citi website or the Citi Mobile App. Both are free and available 24/7. Let us start with the website. Go to citi.com and click Log On at the top right. Enter your username and password, then click the Log On button. Once you are logged in, your account dashboard will load. You will see your current balance right at the top of the screen next to your card nickname. It will show both your statement balance and your available credit. For the mobile app, download the Citi mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in with your same username and password, or use Face ID or Touch ID if you have it set up. Your balance will appear immediately on the home screen as soon as you log in. Tap on the card to see more details like recent transactions and payment due date. A few tips. Set up account alerts in the settings menu so you get a text or email when your balance gets high. You can also enable paperless statements to view your full monthly balance history online. And that is how you check your balance on a Citi Bank American Express card. Quick, easy, and available anytime you need it.